Hello and welcome back to another episode of Business Partner. Organizational structure in a business is like the blueprint or map that shows how a company is organized. It explains the different levels of management such as managers, team leaders and employees and how responsibilities and tasks are divided among them. Think of it like a sports team. The coach is at the top, making decisions and giving instructions, while players have specific roles on the field. This structure helps everyone know what they need to do and who they report to, which makes the business run smoothly. For example, in a supermarket, there might be a store manager overseeing the entire operation, department managers handling sections like produce or dairy, and staff working on the shop floor. Each person has clear responsibilities, which helps the supermarket run efficiently and provide good service to customers. The importance of having a good organizational structure is huge. It helps improve communication because everyone knows who to talk to for specific questions or issues. It also helps the business grow because as it expands, new roles and responsibilities can be added in an organized way. For instance, if the supermarket start offering online shopping, new roles like a delivery manager or online customer support staff might be created. Without a proper structure, employees might be confused about their duties or tasks could be duplicated or overlooked, leading to mistakes and inefficiency. Let's consider a simple case study. A small clothing store. Initially, the owner managed everything from buying stock to serving customers. But as the store grew, the owner decided to create a more structured setup. They introduced specific roles such as a store manager, sales staff, and stock assistants. This new structure meant the store could run more smoothly. The manager supervised the sales team, and each staff member knew what they were responsible for. As a result, the store improved its customer service and sales, showing how having a clear organizational structure helps a business operate better and prepare for future growth.
So I think it's enough for today. So thank you very much for listening and watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is useful for you. So take care of yourself and don't hesitate to write an email if you have any question, query, suggestion, and even classes are required. Take care of yourself meanwhile. See you in the next video. Goodbye.